Hello, my name is Yana. I'm a full-time traveler and a watercolor artist. I have been traveling for the past 5 years, and about 2 years I have been teaching watercolor. And I had a group of people, we have been painting together every week, and because of that I had an experience of teaching watercolor techniques to people of absolutely different level, from people who have never held a brush before to those who are really comfortable with watercolor. And today we're going to paint an absolutely lovely couple of birds. We are going to explore different techniques and different ways how to show realistic bird, but also how to recreate the fluffiness of the feather, the cute eyes, and nevertheless we are going to use a lot of impressionistic techniques as well. So we will use heavy wet technique, wet on wet technique, dry on wet, and other watercolor techniques that will help you to recreate the dynamics and the movement that we see on the photograph. So go ahead, join me in this course, and I will be very happy to give you the feedback.